In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll to Hit Apps. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Other Settings and tap on Default Apps. Now click on Launcher, apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it, hit Allow All in the pop-up, and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes, you can always go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you need to access Devices Settings again, go into Default Home Screen section and tap on Poco Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!